Hey guys, this is Paulina and this is a video on conditionals 0 and first. Conditionals are a little bit like making a cup of tea, which means that if you know the steps and everything that you need, it's very easy. So, when you make a cup of tea, what do you need? Yeah, you need a cup. You need some hot water and a tea bag. All right, let's have a look at the first conditional. We're going to start with zero conditional. Remember, every conditional sentence starts with if. In a zero conditional sentence, we use if plus present simple. After that, we put a comma and we add a new sentence in present simple. For example, if a football player is shown a red card, he leaves the pitch. We use the zero conditional to talk about the results of an action or situation that are always true. We can use when instead of if. So let's have a look one more time at the same sentence. When a football player is shown a red card, he leaves the pitch. Or, when you want to make a cup of tea, you need a cup, hot water, and a tea bag. Easy, isn't it? Let's have a look at the next conditional. The next and the last conditional for today is first conditional. We start a conditional sentence with if, that's right, always with if. Then we use present simple tense or present tense. We use a comma. And then we follow it with a sentence with will followed by bare infinitive. For example, if my team wins the match, I'll be thrilled. If it's still raining later, we'll play indoors. We use the first conditional to talk about the result of an action or situation that will probably happen now or in the future. So if you see this video, the grammar exercises will be easy for you. Please remember that we can use can, could, may, or might in the main clause instead of will. We can even use an imperative. For example, if John scores a goal, we might win the game. Or, if you aren't doing anything tonight, watch the match at my house. Again, easy. You've seen conditionals before, so I hope you won't have any problems. Finally, it's time to look at an exercise from your book. There's only one. And it's on page 73. So please open your course books and do activity A on the blue side of the page. You need to look at the conditional sentences and answer the questions. It should be very easy after an explanation I've just given you. Pause the video if you're going to do it now. I'll see you in a second. And finally, the answers. I hope you got it all right. In question 1, the answer is first conditional because we use it to talk about something that is likely to happen in the present or future. In question 2, it's zero conditional. We always use it to talk about facts and general truths. Like when you heat up water, it boils. In zero conditional, you can use when instead of if. And in the first conditional, we can use may, might, or could instead of will. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me during our next lesson. Thank you very much for your attention. In order to make this video, I've used grammar information from the grammar reference from Close-Up B1 by Cengage Learning and grammar exercises from Close-Up B1 Cengage Learning, page 73.